Place the stickers in the pattern desired. Once you are happy with the layout and pattern, begin taping each sticker in place. When you're finished with the layout, check one more time to ensure your layout is exactly as you wish. Let's apply the hopscotch word first. Place a strip of blue tape about midway across the sticker. Take scissors and cut off this half of paper. Fold over and rub using hand tool, working from center to edges. Remove tape. Fold over, remove back paper, lift sticker, and then lower in place. Rub using hand tool, working from center to edges. Peel off any mask paper by gently pulling across the surface. Let's apply the letters now. Lift, peel, and lower letter stickers into position. Rub using the soft side of the hand tool, working from the center toward the edges. Remove tape. Repeat for the rest of the letters. Note how holding each sticker shape is a little different. Rub using the soft side of the hand tool, working from the center to the edges. Job well done! Please read and follow all written instructions provided, and contact us if you have any questions.